In this little tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add new users to a project. So here is a project right here. And all you'll have to do is go down to users right here. And when you click that, you can go ahead and go to the top here and say add users. So you say new user. And then choose viewer. And that's pretty much all you have to do, and say invite. Now, if you wanted to make them an editor, they would have the ability to use the RESolute Capture app. And if you wanted to make them an administrator, they'll have the ability to add other users to this project. Now, if you want to add users as a super user to your account that could build and make more projects, let's go and do that after this. So we're going to say user and say invite. Okay, they're going to get an email. Right now it says unregistered. That means they haven't made a login and password yet, but right now they're waiting to do that. And if they don't get that, you can re-invite them. And then also you want to ask them to go ahead and whitelist no reply at FiORinnovations.com so that they get this email to make an account and access RESolute or even CARTOgraph. So let's talk about adding a super user. Up here on the icon, you can either use your email or the icon. You go here and you can click on that, and then you can say account administration. And whoever you add to this will actually be an administrator of the account, and that would allow them to actually create projects and add users to any project in your account. And it's the same process up here. You just say new user, add their email, and then add account administrator, and they'll get an email to do that. If you have any questions, reach out to info@FiORinnovations.com.